Magnetic Destoner removing mud balls and black stones. In this video, you can see the magnetic separator called Magnetic Destoner for turmeric seeds. Most powerful machine for separating mud balls and black stones from turmeric seeds. In this video, you can see the whole separation process of removing impurities from turmeric seeds, black stones and mud balls. Our machine has the capacity from 3 metric ton per hour to 30 metric ton per hour. Magnetic Destoner by Jaykrishna Magnetics Private Limited is the most advanced magnetic separator for cleaning all types of spices. You can see the clean turmeric seed after the separation process. Impurities which is removed from turmeric seeds. To know more about Magnetic Destoner, visit our website, www.jkmagnetic.com. Click on the bell icon to get notified and never miss a new video.